Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Crafting with Cosplay Fabrics. My name is Indra and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own EVA foam chainmail. The first thing is to get the pattern, and as you can see here, it's just something that you can find online or make it yourself. All you need to do is find an SVG or a vector that you can either cut yourself out with scissors and make a pattern, just cut out your 2mm foam, or you can also use a Cricut machine or any sort of machine like that. You're going to be then left with a sort of springy kind of trim, and you're going to have top loops and bottom loops. And what you want to do is put one trim over the other, and you're going to loop that top loop under the top loop of the trim underneath. So as you can see, top loop, and then putting that through that top loop of the trim that's underneath it. It can seem a little bit repetitive or a little bit difficult at first, but once you get it, it is actually very, very easy to put together. What you have to do is just be very careful with it and making sure that it stays flat as you work with all of the trim pieces. And I'll show you again. You continue to build on top loop, and you just put that through the top loop of the trim underneath. And you can make this as wide as you want, and it's super lightweight. You can then paint it any color that you want, so it makes it incredibly versatile. It won't cost as much as regular chainmail, not to mention that if you have something that requires just a small piece, some sections, sometimes it's just decorative, it makes it way easier to sew over it or glue it without having to worry to work with any sort of metal. So as you can see, you are left with this awesome, really cool like weave design. You'll notice it has some curling, but as you add more, it starts to flatten out. It's just this is just what happens with all sorts of chainmail, and the effect is so cool. So I hope that you like this. I hope that you find it useful for your future cosplay projects or maybe fantasy costumes. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon for another tip, trick, or tutorial featuring cosplay fabrics. See you soon. Bye-bye.